Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust saddle setback. Achieving the correct saddle setback is crucial for both comfort and efficiency on your bike. It helps align your hips over the pedals, reducing strain on your knees and lower back. We'll go through a straightforward method that you can easily do at home with just a few basic tools. Let's get your bike perfectly dialed in for your next ride. First, let's establish your current saddle setback. Place your bike on a level surface, ideally against a wall or in a trainer, to keep it stable. Sit on the saddle in your normal riding position and have someone hold the bike steady. Position your pedals so one is at the 3 o'clock position and the other at 9 o'clock. Now, drop a plumb bob from the front of your kneecap on the forward leg. The goal is for that plumb line to pass directly through the center of your pedal spindle. If it's too far forward or back, you'll need to adjust. Carefully loosen the bolts on your saddle rail clamp, just enough so the saddle can slide. Make small adjustments, moving the saddle forward or backward by just a few millimeters at a time. Tighten the bolts, then recheck your position with the plumb bob. After making an adjustment, it's essential to take your bike for a test ride. Ride for at least 20 minutes, paying close attention to how your knees and hips feel. Don't be afraid to make minor adjustments based on your comfort and perceived power. Remember, finding your perfect saddle setback is a personal process that might take a few tries. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Happy riding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.